In the last session, we have seen MySQL installation, starting MySQL server, connecting MySQL server from the client. This is the MySQL client. If you want to come away from MySQL client, go for exit. Exit is a command to come away. Exit. Again, if you want to open the MySQL client, go for MySQL-u space root. Now, you can see all the available databases. Show databases. Come on. There is a command show databases. It will show all available databases in the MySQL server. Inside a MySQL server, it will show all available databases. All available databases. We won't use existing databases. Try create a new database. We can create database with any name. I'm just choosing database name as a Lara. In the MySQL, creating a database is very simple. In the MySQL, creating a database is very simple. Create a database, Lara. Now you can go for show databases. You can see Lara also show databases. You are able to see even Lara also. Now, how to connect to Lara? Come on, use Lara. Client has to interact with Lara database. Client has to interact with Lara database. Lara database. Press enter. Database changed. Now, if we create any table, that will be creating in the Lara database. Now, the current database is Lara. Let me create one simple table. Create a table person with SNO int type name varchar. It's not a varchar 2, it is just a varchar in the MySQL. Age int type. A simple create table. After knowing SQL, this table is not at all difficult. This command is not show tables. Press enter. Only one person table is there. Now you can compose insert command, insert into person values. First value integer number, Ramesh. Second value varchar, age 35. Semicolon. You can see. Select the star from person. You can experiment SQL which is not specific to Oracle. In our SQL content, there is some specific to Oracle that you should know. Apart from that, everything will be working. This is all about MySQL usage based on your requirement. You can create the tables, you can insert the data, you can read the data. Relevant softwares are ready. JDK and MySQL is ready. Now we can deploy web application. We can deploy the application. If it is a web application, Spring Boot based web application, where you will be getting a Tomcat on its own. You will be getting a Tomcat if it is a Spring Boot. I'll show all various ways, different ways of deploying projects with a Tomcat, without a Tomcat, how we can enable. That portion we will see in other sections.